It's fire. Oh, we're gonna go on our way to the top. We headed to the top, and we're gonna see what kind of different views we can get.
All right, Ricky, we're at the top.
Woo! We at the top. Hola. Hola.
Hello.
Hello. You know what I'm saying? They love me around here. They love me, you know?
We made it once again to the flags, Umbrella Street.
I need a good background. I don't want to point up.
You want to point up?
Oh, no, I said I don't. Oh, look at that picture right here, though. Posted on the corner. Give me another one posted on the corner.
We made it once again to the flags, Umbrella Street. It is really beautiful. You should come check it out.
Ahí hablamos, Carmencita. La última pilla de monólogo aquí. Y no.
This chicken gonna be good, pasta. Pasta Rico. What's going on? It's your boy Ricky Rose, and as you can see, we out of town. Where we at? We in Colombia. We having a great time. It's a beautiful city, beautiful people. I got my drink in my hand. I'm having a great time out with my peoples, and we gonna show y'all a little bit around of the city. Come on, follow me. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see what's going on over here. Let's see what's going on over here. Beautiful people. It's a regular day in Colombia, you know. I'm in town though, so it's not a regular day because I'm in town. So we're gonna see. Look. Hola. Hola.
Hello.
Hello. You know what I'm saying? They love me around here. They love me, you know. Oh, look at this. What do we have here? What do we have here? Oh man, there's so many different monuments. It's a historic city, a historic place. I think right now we in Old City. As you can see, take a good look. We everywhere. We have, you know. This is as original as it gets, you know. This is a beautiful place. I would advise anybody who's somebody to come visit this beautiful place they call Colombia. It's a great time. And we're trying to see what else, other things we could get into, you know? So we're gonna hit the beach, we're gonna get some good food, we're gonna see nice people, beautiful ladies. The sun is shining. Like, where else would you wanna be right now other than right here with me, your boy Ricky? All right, so stay tuned, keep on watching. We're gonna keep this thing going. Let's go. All right, so now we are headed to the next location, which is going to be on the outside of the historic city. I'm not too sure. I'm still learning a lot of things about this beautiful country and all the different type of cultures and traditions that they have. But we are here to learn today. That's why we're here, you know? And I'm gonna be the one to show you. I'm your professor, your boy Ricky. Professor Ricky, hola, hola. Hola, hola. Yes, sir. So right now, we are headed, it looks like a wall, some sort of wall. And I think like back in the day, like there was a lot of, you know, battles and stuff going on, Colombia versus whoever. So they had to build a wall. They didn't want Christopher Columbus to come over here and take over. See that wall right there? All that? They don't even make it like that no more. That is pure concrete. And it's hard to breach, very, very hard to breach. So with that being said, we're gonna go on our way to the top. We headed to the top. And we're gonna see what kind of different views we could get. And we're just gonna continue to be active. That's what we do. I'm an active person. All right, check it out.
All right, Ricky, we're at the top.
Woo! We at the top. So we made it to the top. And as you can see, we got some sort of cannon type of device. I'm pretty sure this hasn't been used in quite some time, maybe over a century, but it's still a historic monument. If I wouldn't take this stuff down because that what represents my country and what we've been through. You know what I mean? So this is cannons. As you can see, we got more cannons here, over there. There's a bridge. We got the skyline right over here. Wow, it's such a beautiful place. You know?
Miami Beach, de Cartagena, my friend.
You see?
Where you from?
It's just so beautiful. Like, why not? You got the ocean right here. What body of water is that? Is that like Pacific? I'm not sure what it is, but the water is beautiful. The people are beautiful. It's just, man, I'm glad I'm here. I want you to come here next time. So I'm gonna show you more. So next time you be here with me, all right? Let's get it.
This one is the Cartagena flag.
Hey guys, we just hopped on in the cab. We are going to the big sign. There's a big sign that says I love Cartagena. I think actually there's a couple of them that I've seen while we drove around, but we're going to a very specific one. And we're right now in the taxi and he's taking us over there right now.
Shoes, il cousu la mère, avec la porture toute cousue comme ça. Shoes, oui, shoes. Voilà, oui, shoes. Piqué. Shoes. Hein? Voilà, j'ai ça pour vous.
On peut vous aider?
Elles sont magnifiques.
So he's playing 50 Cent, and I'm in Colombia. I think I want to hear some Colombian music. Papi, music. You want to do Colombian music?
Música de Colombia.
Música Colombian. Sí.
Cumbia.
Yeah. Cumbia. Gracias, amigo. Here we go. That's more like it. I didn't come all the way to Colombia to listen to 50 Cent, right? No. I'm sure you guys will appreciate this.
Long word, like if you wanted to take a picture, you want to get the whole phrase. Like I got the whole phrase. You see? Okay. You start trying. Yeah.
All right, we made it to the sign, and the sign is right next to the beach. So here it is. Take a look.
This camera is fire. It look like it's recording. Yo, it look like it's recording.
Oh, I got it on